check this out. We're going to do this together because I want to be just as surprised as you are. So the first layer is your highlighter, the second is your bronzer, and the third is your blush. Okay, so there is the bronzer. There's the blush. Cute. Oh, she's pretty. I'm going to cheat a little. I'm going to warm up my cheeks from underneath. That way it's kind of contour, kind of bronzer, right? Blend that into the hairline. Oh, she's tan. Look at that. Ooh. Okay, last, the highlight. Oh, I love this. This is so pretty. Okay, am I getting like just, watch out. I get crazy with highlighter. I'm getting like these really pretty soft vanilla vibes from this. Okay, Subtle Beauty. So you've got your highlighter, your blush, your bronzer all in one. Let's say you need to do your makeup at the gym. Let's say you're a dirty stay out. I don't judge, that's your business. But you got everything you need right here. And a little travel brush. It's almost like they want you to stay out. Tell me what you think of this in the comments below.